The next big weather maker has already begun its approach towards the islands, expecting to impact Kauai first. So since it's coming in from the west, we highlight the western side of Kauai and Kekahi in particular, where the shower activity will start later tonight through tomorrow morning, but then start to ease off as that first boundary moves off from Kauai down towards the east of the island chain. But then we're going to have a second cold front that's going to be making its approach, and that's going to start to impact Kauai come Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. So we're going to bump up our UA threat to a moderate level, but aside from that, no other advisories or warnings issued just yet. But in terms of our surf, high surf warning levels are anticipated as we get into the second half of the week due to a larger swell that we're anticipating. But we have a small swell that starts to fill in tomorrow, 3 to 5 footers by tomorrow afternoon for the north, 2 to 4 for the west, 1 to 3 down south, and 2 to 4 for the east, coming down as, again, we've lost those easterly trades. But what we're really looking at is what's taking place towards the west. So we have this first large cold front, and then behind it, yet another cold front that's going to be, again, making its way over the islands. But especially that second cold front, it's looking to be more robust, more stronger, and it's behind that cold front where the stronger winds are really going to start to fill in. And that's going to be around Tuesday evening through Wednesday, and then some relief starts to happen as we get into Thursday. Timeline, though, as we're looking at 1 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're already starting to see the boundary itself make its approach to Niihau and Kauai. So that's what we're expecting the greatest chances for showers for Kauai is during the midnight through the early morning hours. 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, we start to see it make its way over towards Oahu, and then throughout the afternoon by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, making its way over Molokai, and then it looks to really stall itself out over the island of Maui in that area, not necessarily reaching Hawaii Island, in particular the eastern side of the island. We could start to see some impacts for the northern portion and part of that Kona coast. As we get into Tuesday afternoon, that second boundary makes its way, and that's going to really move through the entire island chain, and then those two boundaries will start to move off towards the east come Thursday. We're not expecting too much shower from this, but because there is some instability, there are that possibility and those chances of periods of heavy showers. But if we look at this projected rain totals, none of it really passes that 1-inch mark, and it's kind of balanced throughout the island chain, again, with the exception of Hawaii Island seeing the least chances of showers. And for tomorrow, that's where we're expecting most of the sunshine as that cold front really is coming in from the west, and again, stalling out in the central portion of the state. In terms of those winds, they're going to start to build up to 25, even up to 35 miles per hour for some areas moving through the middle of the week. We lose those wind speeds and we lose that direction to become more variable as we get into next weekend. Have a blessed week, everybody. Sam, back to you.